Hello everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a camping tent. First going to start out by drawing a triangular shape near the front part of the tent. Let's curve it over here. Next thing I'm going to do is the opening of the tent. It'll be another small triangle. Then I'm going to draw the little flap. That's the door. Gonna draw the little nails that they use to bolt the tent to the floor or on the campground. Now I'm gonna draw the top part of the tent. I'm just going to get this line down from here, and then this will be the back of the tent. And draw the bottom of the tent now. I'm going to do another rope attached to the nail over here. Another one over here at the back. Next thing I'm going to draw is this little flap that's at the top of the tent for some sort of ventilation. Now I'm going to draw a window in the tent. Just be like a little rounded square. And then now I'm going to draw another square on the inside. Just going to finish this off by joining this line up over here. Now I'm going to draw the actual division in the window, which is these lines. And then draw another line. And there we have it, people, our simple camping tent. So for the next part of this video, what I'm going to do is time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and maybe drawing, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.